Meanwhile, distraught parents whose children are missing after the Hillside and Arusha Academy fire tragedy will have to wait until Monday to know the fate of their loved ones. Government spokesperson Isaac Mwaura says the process of identifying children who perished would be conducted on Monday at the Naramoru Hospital after DNA samples have been analyzed. And as Margaret Kimathi reports, Mwaura was at pains to explain the whereabouts of the 17 children yet to be accounted for, even as the death toll rises to 21.
Tears of pain, sorrow and sadness. Josephine Wanjiru has searched for her son for 2 days without success. The disappearance of her 13-year-old son, Mwangi Mungai, and who was in grade 7 at Hillside and Arusha Academy, breaks her.
Nimeishi nikitafuta mtoto naambiwa tugoje, so I don't have anything. Naweza sema niko na update. Nimetoka hospitali karibu kama 5 from yesterday. Nilienda Udhaya, nikaenda Kenyatta.
This family says they have searched for their son in 5 hospitals here in Nyeri without success. They blame the government for not providing enough information on the whereabouts of their children. They say the situation is taking a toll on their mental health.
Wanakuja, wanatuongelesha, wanatoka. Hakuna information yote wanatupia. Sasa wanatuasha tu hapa nje ya gate. Sasa sijui tuseme wanatufisha mambo ingine juu sasa tuko stranded.
Addressing the media outside the school, government spokesperson Isaac Mwaura said that they have already found more than 20 students who are reported as unaccounted for on Friday.
And we are very happy to say that quite a number of the children have now been reported as of today, over 20 of them, but these figures are still preliminary because the process is ongoing, especially because the DCI is on ground.
But when he was pressed by journalists to explain where the students are, Mwaura recanted his previous statement, pointing to the government's apathetic approach to the deadly tragedy.
For the accounted for, I have not given any figure.
You did. You said over 26.
No. There was no figure. Like, please,
have it on record.
Listen, my good people. It's good that you've asked that, Anita.
Is the government not sure of the information they are providing, or just not caring about the well-being of the concerned parents? During the briefing, Mwaura was quick to promise food donations to affected families, a gesture that was not taken kindly.
We've been able, as a government, to provide the food that is required here, and it is important because that is the first thing that is required, honestly. Rice, about 100 bags, beans, 50 bags, corn soya beans, 24 kg bags.
The government spokesperson later released a statement contradicting the numbers he had given earlier. According to the latest statement, the death toll from Hillside and Arusha Academy fire tragedy has risen to 21 and 17 are unaccounted for. As parents continue to search for their children in vain, the government has announced that the identification of bodies shall take place on Monday at Naramoru Hospital. Margaret Kimathi, NTV, at Hillside and Arusha Academy, Nyeri County.